Hello students, we are doing chapter number 18 Trigonometry and today we will start from question number 17 first part. 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta divided by sin theta 1 plus cos theta is equal to cot theta. We have taken here left side. So first we will rearrange it. I am writing cos theta first, cos theta, then plus 1 minus sin square theta divided by sin theta 1 plus cos theta. Now you can see this 1 minus sin square theta with the help of first identity. 1 minus sin square theta we can write as cos square theta. So cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta 1 plus cos theta. Now from numerator cos theta, cos square theta, we can take cos theta as common. Then in bracket we will get 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta 1 plus cos theta. So this whole bracket will cancel out 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Then we have cos theta by sin theta which is equal to cot theta and we got right side. 17th second part, tan cube theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus 1 is equal to sec square theta plus tan theta. We have taken left side here and this numerator, if you see carefully, it is tan cube theta minus 1. This 1 we can treat as 1 cube because 1 cube is also 1. Now a cube minus b cube, we will use this identity. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So with the help of that identity we can expand and write it as tan theta minus 1 and in another bracket a square means tan square theta plus b square means 1 plus ab, tan theta into 1 is tan theta divided by tan theta minus 1. Now this thing will cancel out, tan theta minus 1, tan theta minus 1, it will cancel out and in this another bracket this tan square theta plus 1 with the help of second identity we can write as sec square theta. So sec square theta plus tan theta and we got right side. This is equal to our right side, hence it is proved. 18th first part, 1 plus cosec a divided by cosec a is equal to cos square a by 1 minus sin a. We have taken left side here. First this cosec a we will change into sin a. So we can write it as 1 plus 1 by sin a divided by 1 by sin a. Now next step, in numerator we will take LCM. So it will become sin a plus 1 by sin a divided by 1 by sin a. So this sin a will cancel out and we have 1 plus sin a. Now see the right side. In right side we want 1 minus sin a in denominator. So what we are doing here? We are multiplying numerator and denominator with 1 minus sin a. Now this numerator, if you see 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a plus b, a minus b. So with the help of a square minus b square formula, we can write it as 1 minus sin square a divided by 1 minus sin a. So 1 minus sin square a with the help of first identity we can write as cos square a by 1 minus sin a, which is our right side is equal to right side, hence proved. Next 18th second part, root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A is equal to sin A divided by 1 plus cos A. So in these type of question, first you see your right side. If you want same denominator right side, it means you have to multiply with the same denominator. So here denominator is 1 plus cos A. Multiply numerator and denominator with 1 plus cos A within this root symbol. Now this numerator 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A minus B, A plus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. So it will become 1 minus cos square A. And denominator 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A, it will become 1 plus cos A whole square. After this first numerator 1 minus cos square A, which from first identity we can write as sin square A. So root of sin square A divided by 1 plus cos A whole square. Now both are in square form, so it will come out of root symbol. So finally we will get sin A divided by 1 plus cos A, which is equal to our right side, hence proved. 19th first part, root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to 10A plus ck. Left side we have taken here. This question also similar to last question. Now see your right side. This we don't have denominator here. It means we have to eliminate this denominator. So in this case we will multiply numerator and denominator with different symbols. Same this number only we will take, but here symbol we will change. Here it is 1 minus sin A. It means we will multiply with 1 plus sin A with numerator and denominator. Now this numerator will become 1 plus sin A whole square and denominator 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A minus B into A plus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. So we will get 1 minus sin square A. This denominator with the help of first identity we can write as cos square A. So 1 plus sin A whole square divided by cos square A. Both are in square, so it will come out of root symbol. We will get 1 plus sin A by cos A. After this we can split it. We can write it as 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A we can write as ck. And sin A by cos A we can write as 10A. Same right hand side we got equal to right hand side, hence proved. Next 19th second part, root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus cot A. This is also similar to last question, and in this question also we don't want right side denominator. It means this denominator we have to eliminate. To eliminate this denominator we will multiply with 1 minus cos A. We will just change the symbol of denominator and multiply up and down. Now numerator will become 1 minus cos A whole square and denominator will become 1 plus cos A, 1 minus cos A, which is equal to 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A we can write as sin square A with the help of first identity. So 1 minus cos A whole square divided by sin square A. Both are in square, it will come out of this root symbol. So 1 minus cos A by sin A, which we can split and write 1 by sin A minus cos A by sin A. 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A and cos A by sin A is equal to cot A, which is equal to our right side, hence proved. Next question number 20, first part, root of ck minus 1 divided by ck plus 1 plus root of ck plus 1 divided by ck minus 1 is equal to 2 cosec A. So this first bracket, first we will rationalize this denominator, we will eliminate, we will multiply it with sec A minus 1 up and down. And this second one also we will multiply sec A plus 1 up and down. In first one, it will become root of sec A minus 1 whole square, and denominator will become sec square A minus 1, A plus B into A minus B. Similarly, this second term will become root of sec A plus 1 whole square, and denominator sec square A minus 1. This sec square A minus 1, with the help of second identity, we can write as tan square A. So it will become sec A minus 1 whole square by tan square A plus this second one sec A plus 1 whole square by tan square A. Now we can take it out from this root symbol. It will become sec A minus 1 by tan A plus sec A plus 1 by tan A. Denominator is same, so directly we can simplify numerator sec A minus 1 sec A plus 1. So this 1 will cancel out. It will become 2 sec A by tan A. Sec A and tan A, if we convert into cos and sin, then it will become 2 into 1 by cos A and sin A by cos A. This by cos A will cancel out, and 2 by sin A is equal to 2 cosec A. We got right side, hence it is proved. 20th second part, cos A into cot A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to 1 plus cosec A. Left side we have taken here. Right side we don't want this denominator. It means we have to eliminate it. So to eliminate it, we will multiply with 1 plus sin A up and down. So we have cos A. This cot A also we can write as cos A by sin A, and this 1 plus sin A, and denominator 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A, which will be 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A, with the help of first identity, we can write as cos square A. This numerator also will become cos square A into 1 plus sin A divided by sin A, and whole divided by this cos square A. So this cos square A will cancel out. Now we have 1 plus sin A by sin A, which we can split and write 1 by sin A plus sin A by sin A. 1 by sin A we can write as cosec A, and sin A by sin A will become 1, which is equal to our right side, hence proved. Next 21th first part, 1 plus tan A by sin A plus 1 plus cot A by cos A is equal to 2 sec A plus cosec A. Left side we have taken here. First we will split it. We can write it as 1 by sin A plus tan A by sin A. This second term also we can write as 1 by cos A plus cot A by cos A. This 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A, and 10 we can write as sin A by cos A by sin A. So this sin A will cancel out, we will get 1 by cos A. This 1 by cos A we can write as sec A. Cot A we can write as cos A by sin A by cos A. So cos A will cancel out here. We have cosec A plus 1 by cos means sec A. This sec A as it is, and 1 by sin means cosec A. So we have 2 cosec, 2 sin, and that 2 we can take as common. After taking 2 as common, we have 2 sec A plus cosec A. We got right side, hence proved. Next to 21, the second part, sec to the power 4a minus 10 to the power 4 is equal to 1 plus 2 10 square a. Left side we have taken. Now this left side, this sec to the power 4 we can write as sec square a whole square minus 10 square a whole square. So a square minus b square, which we can write as a plus b and a minus b. In this first bracket, sec we will change because we don't want sec right side. So in place of sec square a, from this second identity we can write as 1 plus 10 square. So in place of this we can write 1 plus 10 square a plus 10 square a, and this second bracket, from this second identity only it will become 1. Now 1 plus 10 square a plus 10 square a is equal to 2 10 square a. We got right side is equal to right side, hence proved. Next to 22, first part, cosec to the power 6a minus cot to the power 6a is equal to 3 cot square a cosec square a plus 1. So left side we have taken here this cosec to the power 6 we can write as cosec square whole cube. Now in place of this cosec square we can write 1 plus cot square theta whole cube with the help of third identity. Now this bracket we can open with the help of formula a plus b whole cube. So it will become a cube plus b cube, then plus 3ab plus 3a is 1, b is cot square, and in bracket a plus b. So 1 plus cot square theta minus cot to the power 6 theta. Now this thing will be 1, this it will become cot to the power 6 theta plus 3 cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta we can write as cosec square theta minus cot to the power 6 theta. So this cot to the power 6, cot to the power 6 will cancel out. We have 1 plus 3 cot square theta cosec square theta equal to right side, hence proved. Next to 22, second part, sec to the power 6a minus 10 to the power 6a is equal to 1 plus 3 10 square a plus 3 10 to the power 4a. We will do like same like last question. This 6 to the power 6 we can write as sec square a whole to the power 3 minus 10 to the power 6a. Now sec square a From second identity we can write as 1 plus tan square a whole cube minus 10 to the power 6a. Now we can use formula a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube means 1, b cube means 10 to the power 6 plus 3a into b 10 square a, and within bracket 1 plus 10 square a. Last term as it is 10 to the power 6a. 10 to the power 6a will cancel out, plus and minus. Now we have 1 plus 3 10 square a in bracket 1 plus 10 square a. We want answer in 10 square a only, so no need to change it, keep like this only. Multiply this within bracket 3 10 square a plus 3 10 to the power 4a equal to right side proved. Next question number 23, first part, cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 divided by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Left side we have taken, and here this 1 we are going to replace from this third identity equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So cot theta plus cosec theta, and in place of 1 we can write cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Denominator will be same, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Now this bracket a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b formula we are using. So it will become this thing will become cosec theta plus cot theta and cosec theta minus cot theta divided by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. You can see from first term and second term this bracket is same. So this we can take common. Cot theta plus cosec theta we are taking common, and then in another bracket we will get 1 from here minus this thing, cosec theta minus cot theta divided by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Now if you remove this bracket, then this will become minus, and this minus minus will become plus, and you can see here this thing and this will be same, only the place of 1 and cot theta is different, other remaining things is same. So we can cancel out this whole thing. We have now cot theta plus cosec theta. Cot theta we can write as cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta we can write as 1 by sin theta, or same thing we can write as cos theta plus 1 by sin theta, which is equal to our right side. Hence proved. 23 second part, sin theta by cot theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2 plus sin theta by cot theta minus cosec theta. In this question, this right side is little bit big, so we will take right side. Always try to take bigger side, then it will be easy to prove. So here we have taken right side. In this right side, first cot and cosec I am going to change. We can write cot as cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta we can write 1 by sin theta. We can take LCM, it will become sin theta by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta, and this by sin theta we can shift up, it will become 2 plus sin square theta by cos theta minus 1. This sin square theta we can replace with 1 minus cos square theta with the help of first identity, and denominator, if minus we will take common, it will become 1 minus cos theta. So it will become 2 minus, plus minus will become minus, and this 1 square minus cos square theta, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. So we have 1 minus cos theta in denominator. So this thing will cancel out. After cancellation we have 2 minus 1 plus cos theta. Remove this bracket, then 2 minus 1 minus cos theta. It will become 1 minus cos theta. Now see the left side. We want in denominator cot theta plus cosec theta. So we are going to multiply now with this in numerator and denominator. So cot theta plus cosec theta by cot theta plus cosec theta. Multiply in numerator and denominator. And denominator we will keep as it is, only the numerator we will change. So here we have 1 minus cos theta, and this thing if you change, it will become cos theta by sin theta plus 1 by sin theta divided by cot theta plus cosec theta. And you can take here LCM, it will become 1 minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta divided by cot theta plus cosec theta. After this, if these two you multiply, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta by sin theta, and this denominator cot theta plus cosec theta. Next, 1 minus cos square theta, with the help of first identity we can write as sin square theta. Sin square theta by sin theta, in bracket we have cot theta plus cosec theta. You can see here one sin will cancel out, and we will be having sin theta by cot theta plus cosec theta, which is equal to right side, hence proved. Next, question number 24, first part, sin theta plus cos theta, sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2 plus sec theta cosec theta. Left side we have taken here, first bracket we will keep as it is, sin theta plus cos theta, and second bracket sec theta we can write as 1 by cos theta, and cosec theta we can write as 1 by sin theta. Now in second bracket we can take LCM. So it will become sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta sin theta. Now numerator to numerator we can multiply, it will become sin theta plus cos theta whole square by cos theta into sin theta, and this with the help of a plus b whole square formula we can expand, and we can write it as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Now from first identity, here to here value will be 1, so it will become 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. Now we can expand it, we can write it as 1 by cos theta sin theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. So here this thing will cancel out and here we can do reciprocal of it. 1 by cos we can write sec theta and 1 by sin we can write as cosec theta, and this will be plus 2. So we got right side is equal to right side, hence proved. The second part, cosec A minus sin A, sec A minus cos A, sec square A is equal to 10A. Left side we have taken here. First bracket cosec A we can write as 1 by sin A minus sin A. Sec A we can write as 1 by cos A minus cos A, and this sec also we can write as 1 by cos square A. Now within first bracket if you take LCM you will get 1 minus sin square A by sin A. In second bracket after taking LCM we will get cos A, 1 minus cos square A, 1 by cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A by sin A. This 1 minus cos square A will be equal to sin square A by cos A, and this will be as it is 1 by cos square A. So you can see cos square A to cos square A we can cancel. 1 sin also will cancel out and we have sin by cos. Sin by cos is equal to 10A, equal to right side, hence proved. So today we are doing till here. Next video I will start from question number 25. If you have any other doubt you can send me in comment box. And if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you for watching our video.